Welcome to Intensa's behavioral health line, where safety and serenity harmonize seamlessly. Intensa's casework is meticulously designed to envelop patients in comfort and security. The dedication to safety is evident in the choice of cam lock, steel-on-steel construction. The casework exudes solidity, while rounded edges and sloped tops minimize ligature and garroting risks. With Intensa, safety is paramount. The units arrive fully assembled, ensuring precise cabinet alignment and cost-effective installation. Architects, designers, and facility planners can craft healing and wellness zones with diverse design options that nurture patients and families, optimizing recovery. In a world of evolving healthcare, Intensa's balanced design adapts to today's needs. The Balanced Collection embraces cost efficiency, from easy installation to adaptable design updates. Aesthetic and practical, Intensa's balance is easily sanitized, boasting finishes that endure stringent cleaning protocols. The finishes align with healthcare facility cleaning requirements, embodying both beauty and utility. Embrace Intensa's behavioral health collection, where safety, design, and innovation converge for a brighter future. If you have any questions, or you'd like more information about Intensa's behavioral health furniture, contact the Ginger Grant Group today.